Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with the Punjabi cuisine recipe, that is the Punjabi Kadhi or Punjabi Pakora Kadhi. So let's start with the recipe. In a bowl, I have took 350 grams of curd. I'm going to whisk it properly. Make sure the curd is sour in taste. If it's not, then add some lemon juice or tamarind pulp. Now I'm going to add in this gram flour. This is 100 grams here. Again we are going to whisk it properly. Make sure there are no lumps in it. 1 glass of water. Whisk it again. Now I'm going to add salt in it. Salt as per the taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. Give it a nice mix. Totally I'm going to add 2 liters of water. This is almost 1 liter I have added. Give it a nice stir. In a pan, I have added 5 teaspoons of oil. In this, mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon. Let it crackle. Now I'm going to add cumin seeds. This is half a teaspoon. Fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon. After this crackles, asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon. Some curry leaves. Saute it. One large onion I have took. You can take 2 medium-sized onion chopped. Give it a stir. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Ginger garlic green chili paste, 2 teaspoons. Give it a nice stir. Let this cook for a minute. This is done here. Now we'll add the curd and ground flour batter here, the curry batter here. Stir it. I'm going to add water again, that is 1 liter again. So totally we have used 2 liters of water. Give it a nice stir again. Now this will start boiling. So when it starts boiling, we have to leave it for 20 minutes on a medium flame to cook slowly. See, this has started boiling. Now we'll leave it for 20 to 25 minutes to cook it on a medium flame. Now for the pakora batter, I have took 2 onions chopped, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1 bowl of coriander, fresh coriander chopped, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste, carom seeds, that is the ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon. Mix it properly. flour in it. This is 2 bowls of gram flour and 1 cup approx I'm going to use to make the batter. I'm going to make the batter with the hand. Make it a thick batter. See, this is done here. Now in a pan, I have heated up the oil for frying. Now start making the pakoras. First cook it on a medium flame. Then after that you can cook it on a high flame to make the color golden brown. Light golden brown we have to make. You can see our tempting pakoras are ready to add it in the curry. We are going to remove it. Now add this in the curry. Let it cook on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add coriander leaves. Now we have to make one more tempering on it, the final tempering to put on the curry before the serving. In this I have added 2 teaspoons of clarified butter, that is ghee. In it mustard seeds, half a teaspoon. Cumin seeds, half a teaspoon. Let this crackle. Fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon. Coriander seeds, half a teaspoon. And 2 red dried green chilies. I have broken it into halves. Let this cook and stir it properly. Now you can add the tadka or the tempering on the curry. This is ready to serve. You can see the color, the texture. It's looking very tempting. You can serve this with rice or with the parathas or chapati also. So our curry is ready. If you like the recipe, do like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further upcoming recipes. Thank you.